This is why I'm ditching all my old credit cards and adding this one to my wallet in 2025. What if I told you Citibank just dropped a $595 super card that lets you transfer your points to American Airlines at a full 1-to-1 ratio, earn you 6x on dining, 12x on travel, and unlock over $700 in luxury credits? Well, guess what? They just did. It's called the Citi Strata Elite, and it just made the biggest move in the travel credit card world this year. But the real question is it really elite or just elite priced? So make sure to stick around because we're going deep into what you can rack up, where the traps are hidden, and how to get 100,000 points, but only if you know the secret. But first, I want you to let me know in the comments, would you pay $595 up front to get a free international flight in business class? I'm gonna break this video down into 6 very important parts that you do not want to miss. If you miss any of it, you're not going to understand the full benefits of this credit card and why it actually matters. Now let's go ahead and jump into part number 1, which is the biggest one of all, the welcome offer and where to apply. First, let's talk sign-up bonus. And this is where it gets juicy because you're gonna get 80,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. But here's what nobody is talking about. If you walk into a physical Citi branch, the bonus jumps up to 100,000 points. That's a $200 to $500 difference in value, depending on how you redeem them. Honestly, it's like Citibank saying, if you want the real deal, come see us face to face. Now moving on to part number 2, the insane points breakdown. This card is truly a point powerhouse if you know where to spend. So you're gonna be looking at 12x points on hotels, car rentals, and attraction, only if booked through Citi Travel. Now, a lot of people say, well, it's usually more expensive if you book it in the app. No, those are the days of the past, to be honest with you. You're also gonna get 6x on airfare, again, only through Citi Travel. You're also going to get a huge one that is 6x on dining. Okay, but here's the fine print that nobody ever reads. Only on Friday and Saturday nights, 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. But here's the thing that I think is gonna be frustrating for people that actually use this card. I think it possibly could be a big issue or it may not, depending on what happens at the restaurant or where you're dining. So if you eat out on Saturday, but it posts on Sunday morning, you just earn 3x and not 6x, which that's frustrating and easy to miss. I know this is kind of crazy, but you could ask your server when they batch transactions if you're serious about the 6x game, because honestly, that's pretty crazy. And what about everything else, right? That's the big question. So normally you're gonna get 3x on dining outside those weekend windows. You're also gonna get 1.5x points on all other purchases. I will tell you, this is not a use it everywhere card. This is a strategic spending card. Now moving on to part number 3, the travel credits that offset the fee. And yes, let's just be honest, that $595 annual fee stings, but Citi loads you up with credits to make it hurt less. Because you're going to get a $300 hotel credit when you book 2+ nights via Citi Travel, of course. You're also gonna get $200 splurge credit on brands like American Airlines, Live Nation, and Best Buy, which is a great feature with Live Nation if you're someone that goes to concerts. You're also going to get a $200 Blacklane credit, which is $100 each half of the year. Let me pause on Blacklane for a second, because a lot of people don't understand what Blacklane is or possibly have never used it. This is hands down the best way to avoid Uber pickup zones and get curbside luxury airport transport. Now, let's be honest, it's not cheap, but when I'm with my kids or running late solo, it's absolutely worth it. I don't know if it's just me, but I absolutely hate traveling to the pickup parking lot. It's just like, what's going on here? I know what's going on because a lot of these Uber drivers don't know how to drive in and out of the airport properly. It's like someone always has to ruin it for everybody else. Now moving on to part number 4, lounge access, the real talk that everyone wants to hear, of course. So get ready, because here's the letdown of what Citi includes. You're gonna get priority pass select for you and 2 guests. You're gonna get 4 Admiral Club passes per year. Yes, it's capped and only gets you into American Airlines lounges. You compare that to American Express Platinum with Centurion, Delta Sky, Priority Pass, and Escape lounges, Citi just doesn't win that battle, to be honest with you. So if lounges are your main priority, this card isn't your king. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with a 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Tanya. Tanya's credit score went up 289 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Christian's credit score went up 366 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And let's not forget about Allison. Allison's credit score went up 204 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast link is going to be in the video description and pinned at the top of the comments for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Now moving into part number 5, we're going to talk about premium perks and protections. Let's round it out. You're going to get global entry TSA pre-check credit up to $120 every 4 years. Access to Citi Reserve, perks like breakfast, upgrades, late checkout, and of course, Citi Entertainment, which gets you exclusive pre-sale access to concerts, shows, and experiences, which I have totally taken advantage of being in the Citibank family. It gets me that pre-sale access to get tickets before everyone else, and it gets me to the front row tickets that I absolutely love. And you'll also get the standard travel protection suite, as I like to call it, which is going to include trip delay, cancellation and interruption, lost or delayed luggage, rental car coverage, extended warranty and purchase protections, and no foreign transaction fees. And in case you're wondering, for authorized users, it's a $75 a year, but they get their own priority pass and travel protections. It's a huge value if you travel as a couple or a family. Now moving on to part number 6, transfer partners and why it's a big deal. Here's the moment that's rocked the points world. Citi now allows one-to-one transfers to American Airlines Advantage. That is huge because no other issuer gives you that. You can use your thank you points for flights to Europe, Asia, even book Qatar Airways business class for pennies on the dollar. But let's not forget about the other partners that include JetBlue, Virgin Atlantic, Choice Hotels, Eva Air, and more. But American Airlines is the crown jewel. And to be honest with you, this move instantly gave Citi status in the premium travel reward space. And yes, I'll be getting this card this year. It fills a hole in my current strategy, especially for booking American airline flights. But hold on, let me go apply real quick. The crazy life I live, I just got approved for the Citi Strata Elite with a $27,500 credit limit. Yeah, I literally just applied for it in the middle of making this video. Pretty wild. Because to be honest with you, this credit card makes sense for me because I travel a lot. Last part's the most important. But the question is, who should get this card and who shouldn't? This is the general rule that I tell anybody that's gonna get a travel credit card. If you travel 2 to 4 times a year, love hotel stays, fly American Airlines, or dine out on the weekends, this card could deliver serious ROI for you. If you're a Citi Gold or private client member, you even get $145 to $595 back in annual fees credit. But if you rarely travel, avoid booking through Citi Travel, or only care about lounges, skip this card. Now the big question is, what's the recommended credit score for this credit card? I'm gonna tell you right now, it needs to be a FICO Bank Card Score 8 of a 720 and above. Now Citibank usually always pulls from Experian. Now I will tell you, I have an established relationship with Citibank. I have the Citibank Diamond Preferred with a $15,000 credit limit. And I also have the Citi Double Cash with a $10,000 credit limit. And of course, a lot of people don't ever talk about this part. If you already have an established relationship with a credit card company / bank, you're going to have a higher chance of qualifying and getting approved for a card with a high limit with that bank. But let me know in the comment section, is this your new travel card or are you staying loyal to American Express and Chase? And I always want you to remember, don't get a card just to get it. Make sure it fits your lifestyle or you'll pay more than you earn. Make sure to smash that like button if you learned something new today. And if you have any collections or charge-offs that you need to delete from your credit report, make sure to watch this video right here because it's gonna teach you how AI can do all the work for you and mail the letters, and it comes with a 110% money back guarantee. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.